Welcome to another inspection of many that are going around on the internet at the moment. I'm just inspecting in the loft. I've already been down there and had a look myself. If you actually see, strap down that, it's not even been screwed. That's your wall plate strap. That's a first fix, that's picked up. It's been overlooked all the way through, and it's actually like a red item. And there's another one, and that you can see on that one, it's not even flat, but this area here is a fire protected area, so it's a spandrel panel for a party wall. It's your party wall, and at the end here should be solid. Just let me lie down. Insulation packed all the way through to wall plate, and you can see through that goes straight through into next door. You see, you can actually see plastic on next door roof. And also your soffit down there as well should be solid. Stop any fire spread from this house into next door. Let's just go over here. Just bear with us, people. It's not easy roaming round a loft. Now you've got your extractor fan there. The extractor fan. Should be mechanically fixed. The reason they say to mechanically fix it is to stop that happening there. And also wants a bit of a tidy up. And don't go away, folks, I'm not finished yet. Another one. Not mechanically fixed. Now then, where is it? Well, that side's pretty well packed. Check that side. However, the front peddy, there's not enough insulation. There's only one layer, it's not crossed, and also there's missing insulation in that corner down there, plus the cavity insulation is spurted out onto the roof, so that tells me that the cavity has not been sealed at wall plate. Now again, bear in mind this area is for fire. Straight through into next door. just to add to that, if we go over here to the other side of the roof, I've got more steps in on this roof than I do walking the dog. Right. Again, should be touching. Bracing, not touching wall. Another one. Bracing, not touching the wall. And again, bracing, not touching the wall. So, you've got to ask yourself, how did this plot get passed by the inspector? I don't know the answer to that one. Bye for now.